Whoa! Wait, let me call Lester. Whoa! I am going Mach 1! This is the ultimate G2 Master. If you wanna build your dream scooter, I've got links and discount codes to every scooter and part I would actually use on strikers.com. Link in the description. So, as you can see, I did some more work on the G2 Master, but I didn't actually record it. So, what changed? The swing arms are now painted white. We got a battery on here. This is actually the battery I built in an older video. This battery is for the lights. I also got these lights under the scooter. Bro is jerking the Allen key. I made G2 Master finally look good. Let's take it for a spin, I guess. What the hell is this, car? Top 5 goofy vehicles. Look at that battery. One bump and it's over. Oh, the motor is crunching. For some reason, the Vesk is losing track of the motor position. I mean, bro, this bike sounds really cool, actually. Damn, bro. There's no way you're gapping me. 55. That sucks. Oh my god, Face ID. Bro is moving. We are going to the ride out. Damn, bro, it sounds exactly like a Talaria. Yo, what scooter is this? God damn, bro. Looks mad. That guy has a flat tire on the G2 Pro. Bro, everyone has a G2 Pro now. I bet Joy is enjoying this road because he has a bike. Oh, I'm so glad I have goggles. This thing is infinite burnout machine. I bet I scratched the living shit out of my deck. Ooh! I guess it's fine. But what are you doing? Don't die, Joy. Yo, do that jump.
Yeah.
Are you scared? 104 for now.
Is it dangerous?
No! This is totally safe. Yeah, don't try this at home. I'm gonna do a top speed on the beach. Bro, Joy is barking at the dogs. I was thinking, oh my days, bro.
Yeah, go. Just gonna do a top speed check or something. Whoa! Oh my god, he took off. Dude, that was fast.
Holy shit.
Lie. How much?
103. The duck is spinning. Crazy, bro. Look how many we are. Oh my days, bro. That bike sounds... Bro, it's so small and it sounds so powerful, but it's not that powerful. Bro. We're going to the mall to eat some because Joy on Wheels left us behind and he's not picking up the damn phone. Look at the damn phone. You're using it as a GPS, bro. How can you not see? Charging station! Dude! I should get one. Bro, this thing is fun. Bro, I need one. Joy is riding my G2 Master. Oh, how much battery do I have? 69%. Yo, that's a stock G2 Master. My G2 Master is slightly modified. Crazy G3 Pro right there. Marlon of e-scooters. You gotta learn how to wheelie. It's not that hard. Oh, sure, buddy. You ain't gapping me. You ain't. Bro, I forgot how a stock G2 Master feels. It feels weaker. Bro, he's scared. 103, 104, 105. Bro, I broke my top speed record. Bro said I'm a Marlon of e-scooters. Oh, look at my lights. They're so bright. Oh yeah, bro. It's getting cold. No way you have a flat tire. Oh man. The G3 Pro just looks amazing, but it's slightly overpriced. Oh yeah, turning the light off gives you more power, just like turning off the AC in the Volkswagen Golf. But it's crazy to think that now my scooter is running on 2 batteries, just like the Dualtron X. One battery for the motors and another battery for the lights. This small battery is actually pretty big. I mean, I made a video when I built it.
Whoa, that was sparky.
This is fire.
It's gonna be fire, literally. It's a 3S7P with LG MH1 cells. Yeah, a lot of power for the lights. What a nice day for doing nothing. Yo, what up? My light button is Eco Turbo because if you turn the lights off, you have more power. I mean, I'm full throttle, by the way. Oh, it's wobbling. 63. Full throttle. I thought the G4 was faster. I must say, the suspension feels good. Bro, the suspension is so smooth. What are y'all doing? I got a ride out, bro. Oh, yeah. Bro has a DIY wheelie bar. Damn, bro. 1 kilometer of wheelie. Yo, let's take a pic with the cows. Holy shit. Damn, bro, look at this. We got so many scooters. We got the G2 Master, the Highboy. It seems the G2 Pro is more popular now. I mean, I've seen more people with G2 Pros recently. Bro has 6-7 volts. The cow! Yo! Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my god. It sounds like it's farting, bro. Still wheeling, by the way. Bro, how? How is that even possible? Hold on, I'm gonna try that. Nah, this is not stable. What am I doing? Ow, my ass! Look, I'm riding a go-kart. Whoa, that looks so tough. Bro invented a new way of riding a scooter. Hold on. Oh, yeah! It's beeping to warn you that you're going too fast. But I learned a new way of riding a scooter today. My front motor untightened. Wait, let me call Lester. It ain't ever coming off. Bro, I can do this. Damn, bro, the G2 Master looks so cool at night with the lights on it. I mean, the G2 Master looks pretty good, but you know what's missing? Even more lights. So I got these wireless LED lights from PitZoom. The good thing about these is that you just stick them on there and you don't have to wire them up, they just work. Okay, so should I put all 4? I'm gonna put all 4 of them. Let me clean it. The mounting is pretty solid. They ain't gonna fall off. Blue looks fine. It's so hot outside today. Finally made the G2 Master look good. Yo, look at my suspension. I mean, the Highboy also has suspension. This scooter is too fast, bro. Bro is honking. Wow. Amazing road quality. I'm gonna put some oil on my brakes so they stay silent. You ain't gapping me, bro. Guy with bike thinks he can gap me. Yo! There's no way bro finally learned how to wheelie. Come on, keep it up. Oh yeah. I'm riding the G2 Master in sleepers. Bro, this guy found the toughest way to ride a scooter, bro. Why is bro going so slow? Oh yeah. Bro is moving. Oh yeah, bro. That's the toughest way of riding a scooter. Start throwing hands, bro. The cow! Yo! Yeah, bro, I'm taking y'all in the back rooms. Ow! Okay, the road is better. W road right here, bro. Hold on, let's do a flyby. Hold on. Damn, bro. Is there any way I can... Hold on. Okay, come on. Can I climb this? Oh, there's no way. Nah, there's no way. Holy sh! Where did that guy come from? It was a good attempt. Dogs barking at me. Y'all ain't catching me. I thought my headset had play. Bro, my folding was untightened. So the Highboy is pretty good for off-road, you say. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why did you piss on the chair? Where are you taking me, bro? Y'all broke in the homeless people's house, bro. There are homeless people living here. Bro is climbing the tree. He's gonna break. That's a Red Bull. That's another Red Bull. How many energy drinks are y'all drinking? Your heart is gonna crack open. Oh yeah. Bro, that's tough. Oh yeah, bro, this is tough. No, my phone is falling out of my pocket. What are we doing? Oh my day. I'm moving. Look at that. The underglow looks so good. Look at these lights, bro. We got underglow, bro. So yeah, 105 is something. But I was thinking, what if I try putting the rear motor in Delta? Just the rear one. To see how fast it goes. I just wanna see if it really makes a difference. I lost a little torque on the rear motor, but... That was fast. Okay, so absolute maximum current has been increased. Okay, let's continue. Bro, I broke my top speed record and I didn't even have enough road to send it. Okay, it's time to do a top speed run on the G2 Master with the motor in Delta. It's just the rear one for now. I said that if I get over 110 on this run, I'm also gonna put the front motor in Delta. Okay, it's time to send it. Come on. May Lord be with me. Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my days! Second run, because he didn't record properly. Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm shaking, bro. I just did 116 kilometers per hour on the G2 Master, bro. The point is, it did over 110. So you know what that means. It's time to put the front motor in Delta 2. It's too much power. Okay, so the first step is to make this hole in the axle a little larger for the thicker phase wires to fit. Now it's time to put the motor in Delta configuration. So to do that, you have your stock 3 phases. These are the stock motor phases, and this right here, center point or the bridge or however you want to call it. So what you want to do is cut this heat shrink off, and now as you can see there are 3 wires that go into it. So this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. You want to split this, like separate them. I have to finish the axle. So to do that, I have to grind a little channel in here to let the wires pass, like pass through the bearing. Let's put this motor in Delta. So most motors out of the factory come in star pattern, which is these 3 coils are the main phases, and the ends of the coils, this is A, B, C, A1, B1, C1, is the bridge. To put them in Delta, you have to split the bridge and connect them like this. This is the first phase, second phase, third phase. This is the bridge, and these are the original phases. So we're gonna call them A, B, C, A1, B1, C1. A plus C1 is the first phase. A plus C1. This is the first phase. B plus A1. B plus A1. This is the second phase, and this is the third phase. You just connect them like this. I made the first connection to bridge between C1 and A. Alright, so the wires are now inside the axle. Now let's put the axle in the stator. Now it's time to connect everything up. Everything is connected. Now I just gotta solder them. Now I just gotta put some heat shrink on them, zip tie them up, and just do this. Put the motor inside the case. Buddy, what are you riding? Top 5 goofy vehicles. No, don't honk at the cat. No, the cat is faster than you. Bro, you know what this is? This is the grandpa mobile. Bro is pedaling. If I will get 120 kilometers per hour, I will scream. Now both of my motors are in Delta configuration. Let's see how much top speed I will get. What's this smell, bro? It smells like shit. Oh yeah. It's time to do a top speed on the G2 Master with 2 motors in Delta. Hopefully I will get more. I'm hoping for 120 kilometers per hour. Oh my god, look at that. The front motor has the phase wires and the rear motor also has the phase wires. We are about to fly. I'ma just wait for a nice gap of cars to form and I'ma send it. Time to send it. May Lord be with me. I am flying. 121, bro. Let's send it again. Whoa! I am going Mach 1! Mach 1! Fastest G2 Master in the world right here. How much does it say? 124 kilometers per hour. Oh my god! Oh yeah, bro. The Master looks insane. This is so fun, bro. Whoa! Whoa! Stop wobbling! Stop wobbling! Oh yeah! Whoa! Ow, my ass! What are we doing? This is the high boy right there. We are riding. We are riding on the goofy vehicle. Bro, why is it wobbling so much? Yeah, professional Arabic driver. Whoa. Oh my god! I wonder what are the cars thinking. Meow! Look at that! The G2 Master! Oh yeah! Bro, this grandpa mobile has infinite range and the car is waiting behind us. You don't have enough power to get... Whoa! You almost hit the trash can with a high. Whoa! Everyone is looking. Oh my god! The G2 Master looks so cool. Bro, why is it wobbling so much? Ow! Hop in there! Hop in there! Bro, I gotta get one of these grandpa mobiles. Bro, this is the best vehicle I've been on. The red light is a red light. It's a green light! This is not safe. Come on. We can do it with the power of pedal. Hold on, I'm a pedal. We are moving. Wow! Imagine the brakes fail. I think I might own the fastest G2 Master in the world. But I think 124 kilometers per hour is plenty. Just look at this beast. Should I even put Lonio motors on this thing? I think it's enough, bro. This is the ultimate G2 Master.